right, guys, now we're going to get into the nitty gritty of actually filling out this organizer, which is going to help you to organize your thoughts so well. Okay, so I actually have it all typed out so you don't have to wait for me to type because you know I like the backspace a lot. All right, so look at this whole thing. It says commercial section, positive or negative. How does the connotation of the word influence the bias? So we kind of broke it up into little sections. The man is the boss, the woman is bossy, the man is persuasive, the woman is pushy, the man is dedicated, the woman is selfish, the man is neat, the woman is vain, the man is smooth, the woman is a show off. And then we have some deep thoughts here. Okay, and you'll notice there's all kinds of links over here. This is the video again. This is a video on bias in case you're confused. This is a video on connotation, and then this video will go right here. But it's not there yet because I'm making it right now. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to follow along with me just like you would be in class. And I know it's a little bit smaller, but this is what the organizer looks like. All right, so the man is bossy, the man is the boss, and the woman is bossy. So the man is the boss is positive. He's in charge. And the woman is bossy is negative. She is in charge, but is not a good leader. Okay, and the question over here says, how does the connotation of the word used influence the bias? Okay, the connotation makes it seem like when a man's in charge, it's a good thing. When a woman's in charge, she's called bossy, and that isn't a good thing. She might yell a lot. Okay, all right, moving on. The man is persuasive, the woman is pushy. All right, being persuasive is positive. That word shows he can influence people. But saying someone's pushy is negative. Pushy sounds bad. So the connotation makes it seem like when a woman convinces and or influences people, it's a good thing. The influences the bias because when a woman does that, she's being pushy and is trying to make you believe or do what she wants. Okay? Moving on. It labels the man dedicated and labels the woman selfish in the next section of the commercial. Okay, so dedicated is positive. He works hard for his family. When you're saying the woman is selfish and showing like the baby and the mobile, all right, that's negative. She works hard, but she's neglecting her family. And I can see my typo right here. Like I always tell you, best to read it out loud. All right. The connotation of the words makes it biased because when a man works hard, he's dedicated, which is positive. When a woman works hard at the job, she's labeled selfish. And that has a very negative connotation. All right, so take a second, guys, and pause this. And I want you to kind of put what I have in here in your own words, though, okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to go through the rest, and I want you to do your best to try to kind of work it out. Is the man being neat, positive or negative, and the woman being vain, positive or negative, and see if you can kind of put it in your own words for the rest.